Good morning! Andito kami sa breakfast buffet ng Swissotel Almarouge. And this is what they have. Usual breakfast dishes. Ayan. Today is Mother's Day, Sunday, May 10, 2026 in UAE. Ayan. Wow. They have what? Chapati, vegetable curry. Oh, they have fried rice. Oh, beans. Oh, turkey bacon. Potatoes, sausages. Oh, they've got boiled egg din para sa protein. And this is the hot. Yeah. And they have here, wow, pastries and bread and butter. Oh, wow, they have sourdough bread. And they have this. And later, yung may omelette station daw dyan. And this is the place. Ayan. Ayan. Ito ang Teletubbies 1. Tinky Winky. Tipsy. Lala. Po. Teletubbies. Teletubbies. Say hello.
Ano sa hello.
Oh, sabi nyo, oh. Yun sila. And ang mga kids ay andito. At maaga pa at wala pa silang balak mag-breakfast. Ayan. Diyan sila. Yes, hello! Enjoy! Open door na naman to. Wow! Enjoy ha! Enjoy! Opo. And ayan. Later, ang swimming pool ay andito. Konti lang yung tao ngayon kasi maaga pa. And where is the pool? I think it is somewhere here. Bababa daw. Saan kaya? Ah, it's here. Pwede rin pala mag-breakfast sa baba. Ayan. Ayan ang pool nila. Look. Ganda, oh. I mean, ito yung surrounding buildings. Ayan. And this is the pool. Ayan, may pool access kami. Nabili namin sa Groupon. Ayan. So, supposedly, dapat parang 300 dirhams yung for 4 adults. Naging na lang, 180. Yan. Dahil sa deal ngayon. Kasi pa-summer na rin May na So, medyo mainit na. So, ayan ang pool. So, nice. Mamaya pa siya open 9 a.m. So, mag-enjoy muna kami sa breakfast. See you! And, ito yung pang-apat na Teletubbies.